must count! My vote must count! My vote Peter for Nigeria, don't be sure. Peter for
Yes. For Nigeria to move forward, we must do away with these three fraudulent arms. For us to do away with it, we must fix INEC and have free and fair election. Our vote must count, and that is what they don't want. So that they do everything, so that even president go say they no go sign that law. But as it is, if you steal my mandate the first time, 2023, shame on you. If we allow you to steal it the second time, shame on us. So Nigerians will not go shame. Akpabio, it is the people who want to rig election that will go to court. Akpabio must come out and pass the electoral reform bill. No. As we they talk now, make officers no contact, because this Nigeria so now Nigeria. This National Assembly where we come so. Akpabio will come out. What do we want? Our vote must. Our vote must. Our vote must. Oriburukule. Akpabio, pass the bill. 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 My name is Peter from Nigeria. Make we greet our people. This will not be protest. If we are standing by the side, then we came to visit here. We are not here on a courtesy visit. We are here on a protest. This National Assembly gate now where we go there. So I don't know what you are there for that corner they do. Whatever that they are doing here, this is where we are going to gather. This place, so where they now here we are going. No, the Akpabio go meet us here. Akpabio go meet me here. Must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. We are tired of selection. Give us election. We are tired of selection. Give us election. We are tired of selection. We want election. We are tired of selection. Yes, we want election. Enough is enough. Enough.
Thank you so much for the strength of the media, in all of the struggles that we have been through. We are asking the Senate to come back to the real-time transmission, electronic transmission, because there seems to be misunderstanding the way people are explaining electronic transmission. We say upload from the ward level, from the voting point, from the polling unit. When you to Iroele, upload immediately. And when you upload, what happens? Whether you have, even if you are saying it's in a place where there is no network, as soon as you get to the network environment, the thing uploads. And so what we are asking the Senate to do is to come back to the same resolution of electronic transmission. You are creating, confidence and trust for a system. Let them not take us back. The real-time transmission is about when people vote, it will count. When you say you have covered the country, a lot of people are supporting you. What we want is a transparent and accountable system. Transmit, let whoever deserves it win. And we need to point out the fact that we normally vote for party logos. When you go on a party ticket and you no longer want to belong to the party, you need to also declare your exit. The position should be declared vacant. So it's not about you going up and down. Nobody ever votes. No person's face is in the ballot box. It's the party itself. So you declare that seat vacant when you leave the party. This is very essential. So transparent election is all we are talking about. Electronic transmission of the results to the polling unit. Don't deceive us by saying, they don't have network there. No, upload. Wherever you go into the network, it uploads immediately. And so this is what we are talking about. We are not asking for too much. This morning is going to be a peaceful protest, a peaceful environment to say citizens can air out their voice. Their voices should be heard.
Timelines for INEC.
The timeline for INEC is very important. How can you now say because INEC need time to plan. Even with the 360 days, they are struggling with it. It's not enough. And now you are cutting it down by half. It's not acceptable. The timeline should still remain 360 days so that INEC can plan very well for the election. The new INEC, even the chairman, needs to also organize himself and organize his people. But whatever timeline, and this is what we are talking about, because the transmission is very, very important, the effective immediate passage of the law is very important so that the president will also have time to look through. We don't want version control and version, we are asking the National Assembly to represent the people of Nigeria, represent the system. We want one Nigeria. We want a good country for our children and our grandchildren. Believe in the system. We believe in Nigeria. We are not giving up hope for anybody. The fact that we are here today means we have hope for Nigeria. If nobody is saying anything, they should know that it's a time bomb. We are asking now, be responsible and respond to the election. Go and contest your election. Be safe. Everybody should. We are calling Nigerians to come out and take charge of their destiny. Thank you very much.
Who is that?